Oh, and he's taking my sidewall with him. Wow. Holy smokes, that thing's loud. Don't worry, Danny. I'll get my block wall over here. That's fine.
Steve.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Scented Steve. We got my buddy Vince over here for Tunnel Chaser. Definitely check him out. But it is time. You guys have all been waiting for the knivesdeal.com giveaway Jeep, and we're going to announce a winner. One of you are about to get a phone call, and I am actually excited. I'm sort of excited.
I'm extremely sorry that it took this long, but it was my fault. I couldn't get up here to do the announcement. I know a lot of you guys were reaching out to him, some of you reaching out to me, wondering when it was going to be done. It's completely my fault, but we are here to pick a random name, and Steve's going to give you a call, and probably late night too, randomly.
I might call you randomly late night. I hope you're okay with that. I'm sorry. All right, so we're doing the random generator.
Yeah, so your names are all listed into a random generator. If you made multiple purchases, every time you made a purchase of $1, what is that you're looking at?
Your screen is very blurry to me.
Okay, so every time you made a purchase, it was $1 for an entry, so your name's in there multiple times. If you made a purchase for $5, your name is in there 5 times. I'm gonna click start. It's gonna pick a name, and then we're gonna look up the number, where you're from, and go from there.
Alrighty, and I'm not going to announce a last name, guys. I will announce the first name and the first letter of the last name.
And the state.
And the state, yeah.
Are you able to blur it out? Or are we going to have issues with that?
Where's the name going to be? What? I don't know how to edit.
I think it's going to show up at this point.
Okay, just do it. I'll put this down, and then I'll block it and then bring it up. You guys can see it's rolling through random names.
All right, you ready?
Alrighty. Matthew M, you are about to receive a phone call from me.
All right, let me find out what he purchased and his number.
All right, we're gonna get what he purchased and all that, and just remember, guys, he is not gonna get this one here. He is going to get a new one sent to him. This one here has been put through its paces. we had some fun with this one for sure, so you will receive a new one. You will not receive this dilapidated, beat up old one that we've been destroying. So stand by. We're gonna place a phone call. Fucking honk. Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, we already know who I am. If you're not, or if you
the number, right?
All right, so I'm gonna record this guy's number so that you guys can no, I'm just kidding. We're gonna call him, and obviously you can tell it's my phone because it's broken like everything else I have. So
can we dial it? Go
ahead and dial the number, and I'm gonna save his contact. No, how do I do it?
If it was already in here for some reason.
yeah. What if he's actually already in my contact list?
Your phone's about to die, so that's great too.
Oh yeah, everything we got here is about to die. All right, guys, so as you can tell, 509 area code. As you can tell, my phone is still lighting up. Okay, you did not answer. Stand by.
All right, so this is gonna be fun. Just keep going away.
Just send him a picture of that.
Text him and say it's Steve. Send it Steve.
I'm sorry, guys. You're sticking with me for all this. Stand by. All right, guys. So my phone is ringing. Let's go ahead and answer this. Hello, is this Matthew?
Yeah.
How's it going, buddy?
Good.
So I'm sure you know why I'm calling now.
Yeah.
How are you excited?
Yeah.
Definitely. So I apologize that it took so long. Some things were kind of, we had to work out some bugs that were going on with Vince. He couldn't get up here in time, and we're ready to give it away now.
Sweet.
So you have a Jeep coming your direction.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Matt, I have your address, the one that you placed an order with. Is that okay to ship it there?
The right one, right? 7.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Awesome.
Sweet.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Definitely. I wish you weren't so far away. I'd say we could try to get something going on, but Washington's a little bit of a travel.
Yeah.
Definitely. Well, I'm excited for you, and once I get tracking and shipping and everything, I'll send you the information, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Appreciate it, Matt. Thank you for entering and purchasing and supporting Steve.
I really appreciate the support as well. It definitely goes a long way. So definitely.
And I love these knives that I bought too.
Did you? Yeah.
I use one every day.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, I literally carry around 1 to 5 depending on what vehicle I have. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. We have our winner for the Jeep giveaway. And like I said, it definitely sucks. He's from Washington. He spent $40 plus shipping and handling, obviously, somewhere around that ballpark. I don't have the exact figure. I do know what it sort of was. We could figure it out, but he spent 40 bucks. So for 40 bucks, you guys could get one of these two if we do another giveaway, which who knows? We'll have to figure that out. But Matthew, congratulations on the Jeep. It will be en route to you very, very soon. So again, I want to appreciate and thank everyone that supported knivesdeal.com. Again, knivesdeal.com was the reason we were able to give this away. Vince, we finally got up here to make the video, and I'm super glad that it's over.
Can't wait to go home.
Yeah, Vince lives like 2.5 hours, and he actually just had a baby. So guys, that is, you know, sort of the reason why it's taken so long, but the baby's taken care of. Vince is finally up here and we're able to give it away. So I'm gonna roll some footage from today, and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, so another video later on down the road, which actually you guys are seeing it now. We are actually got some things in the making. So Danny, Slow Restorations, we got Vince here, Tunnel Chaser. We're doing some things. We got some things in the making. Danny just realized he should probably record this as well, but I mean, we got to watch this. I don't know what's going to happen here, but the truck is going down to Danny's Slow Restorations. We got some big things coming for the OBS truck, and you guys are not going to want to miss it. So I got too many projects, as you guys do know. Look, it's pushing his truck. Yeah, I remember my first truck. Left. Yep.
See that rear end come up?
Bring it right. Hold on. When you went up, it lifted the ass end of your truck and dove it that way. So how do you...
Let me back up again.
If you want, I have a real truck up here that we could hook to it and it won't lift it up. No? No? I'm sort of curious of what fell out of this thing. Oh, from the power steering pump. It's the O-ring kit. Obviously, you guys see I did use the O-ring. But that must have fell under there and I didn't see it. You know, I have ramps like right there. Like mine are right there. Like right there. 11 feet away. All right, stand by. I'm gonna help Danny so his trailer doesn't, or truck doesn't roll out into the street again. I'm gonna put a jack under it and do this the right way. All right, we got a jack under it now. His soft 250 won't freaking squat like it did and like make it roll off. There you go. So the noise you're hearing is just from when I did the, I had the fan shroud out. As you do know, some of the tabs are broken, so that's all you're hearing. You can go forward. Probably got a foot. About there. Whoa. About
Right there, Danny.
there. No, up, yeah. No, that's good. Stop. Just, you can strap it and pull it forward. Or it'll roll forward, maybe. You're going to be doing about 30 miles an hour on the way home because you got way too much tail end weight.
Or are we taking it?
No, we're not doing that here. All right, guys, so definitely stay tuned for this. It's going to go down to Danny's. If you want to watch where he's going with this, what he's doing, are you going to post about it?
No.
Okay, then don't go to Chandy's and screw Danny. Goodbye. All right, guys, so by now you guys have already seen the Corvette project. You know about the Bruce. We got to get back down to Danny's, and Danny's actually going to do some things with this. Why I kind of button up some loose ends here with the Bruce, and he's going to start on this. Now, I can't give you guys what we're going to do yet, but I can promise you each and every one of you are going to like it.
Probably.
I hope so.
I would say
I hope so. So as you guys do know, it was a mud truck, and I think we're not going to go that direction with it anymore. We did have plans to straight axle swap it. I don't think we're going to do that. Actually, I know we're not going to do that. At this point, we have some things. I want to make this a perfect daily driver, and we're going to do that just now. And Danny's going to be the lead.
Lead tech.
Yeah, do we call the lead tech or lead foreman for this job? So he's gonna take it down there. He's gonna get all the mud and everything cleaned out. He's gonna fix all the, you know, issues. I actually have a brake line that I gotta send with you because I did not repair the brake line yet, but I gotta send a brake line down with Danny. Danny's gonna button it up and get it looking freaking fantastic, and I can't wait to get that done. Are you actually gonna, I know earlier in the video you said you weren't gonna record, but are you gonna?
Of course.
Okay, so Danny is gonna record along the way. We got to give him a huge shout out here because he's gonna do this while I do all my other projects. But slow_restoration, definitely check him out. This thing is freaking loud.
It is loud.
It is freaking loud. I heard him get off the highway, and I live 5 miles off the highway. But definitely check him out. That's obviously a turbo 6.0, so it's basically a gas. Yeah, it's not an actual 6.6 Duramax. It's a gas 6.0 with a pretty gnarly turbo. So definitely check out Danny, and if you want to follow this build until it gets completed and back up here to me, you're definitely going to want to head over and check him out. I can't do it all. I got enough stuff going on, as you guys do know. So stay tuned, and
Can we go home now?
yeah, stay tuned, guys. This truck is absolutely insanely loud.
Dude, sounds like he's tearing down the quarter mile just when he was backing up.
Definitely. Oh, and he's taking my sidewall with him. Wow. Holy smokes, that thing's loud. Don't worry, Danny, I'll get my block wall over here. That's fine. Alrighty, guys, well, my intro got somehow messed up, lost, or I don't know where it is. It's probably on a different GoPro, and I can't find that GoPro. But first off, sorry about the wind noise. But as you can tell, we got everything cleaned out. The only thing we have here yet is the Urban Bourbon. We have the F450, which you're going to want to stay tuned for. We had a little bit of some issues with the F450 for once. I mean, did great going down to Florida and everything, and then moving my stuff the other day. We kind of had a little bit of an issue. So we're going to fully go over the F450. We're going to address some things. We're going to make some changes. And I hope you guys are excited about this, because this has been a car or a truck that I know you guys love and can't wait for me to get back into. So we have some issues going on with the F450. Not anything big, anything major, but we will get it all addressed. And, you know, it is what it is. So there you guys have it. If you like the content, please, you know, stay tuned. We're definitely gonna do big things with that OBS truck, and I'm sure you guys kind of, if you don't have Instagram, you definitely want to jump on Instagram and start following me. You guys are probably getting some ideas. I'm getting some ideas from you guys. I want to see where we're gonna take that truck and kind of have some fun with it. So have it again. We have another one in the books. I'm so glad that we can finally do the giveaway. You guys don't know how many questions and how many text messages I received behind that. And again, guys, sorry, it was out of my control. I had no control over it, and you know, I appreciate Vince kind of stepping up and, you know, accepting the blame. Although, let's not be tough on him, guys. He did have a baby. So if you guys like the content, again, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And we got some good content coming at you guys. We also had a car that was over here. It's gonna be back together here very, very soon. So stay tuned. Take care. Have a great night. All right, guys. So we are here.
You're gonna be late, so you can just keep doing that. You're gonna be later.
All right, guys, so we are here, and I'm not gonna edit it out. I don't care. That was Danny too, Slow Restoration. Definitely check him out. He's into penis